Hello and welcome to this video showing how to enhance customer aftercare with support tickets in Business Cloud Essentials. Business Cloud Essentials allows you to efficiently route and solve customer support tickets. Here we are presented with a pipeline count of all our open support tickets. We can use the advanced search bar to create filtered lists for our tickets based on the customer or contact, the internal resource to which the ticket has been allocated, the status of the ticket, as well as any tags associated with the ticket. These statuses are customizable and you can have as many as are necessary for your business. You can also set up different categories for your support tickets and assign specific SLAs for response and resolution time to maximize control over customer support. You can also seamlessly link customer care with operations with the creation of a new repair order. Select the service required and any components or processes required. You can even schedule your resources. The repair order will then sit against the support ticket, red if the order is incomplete, and green when complete. Once complete, you can then bill the customer for any chargeable repair work, and the invoice will be attached to the ticket. Last but not least, you can view reports on how quickly your team are resolving support tickets, as well as any outstanding tickets awaiting invoicing. That concludes our video on support tickets in Business Cloud Essentials. Today we have gone through support ticket pipeline management, filtering through tickets with the advanced search, customizing ticket statuses and support categories, linking customer service with operations in the event of any repairs, including any chargeable work, and reporting features, allowing you to monitor response and resolution time. Thanks very much for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact.